Hey guys, so today I'm going to unbox a box that is perfect for those of you who are obsessed or wanting to know more about Korean pop culture. So this will be the box. Look how cute! And also we will be giving away what I'm about to show you in this box to 2 lucky subscribers, so keep watching till the end for more details. Now this will be launching on 4th of May on yesstyle.com, and this kit will be retailing for $74.90 US with products worth over $170 US. So let's get into the unboxing. Inside here there are 10 items. So I'm just gonna show you what's inside. So once you open it, this is how it looks like. It's pretty cool and cute. They have this like aesthetic or like vaporwave theme box, which is really cute. So let's get through all the products one by one. So the box includes 1 snack. This is called the multi-protein savory dried polak spicy flavor. I'm not really into spicy snacks. If you love spicy, this is for you. And then we have the BTS contact lens case. I think you will get either a blue one or a pink one. So it's just a random pick, whichever they give you. So this is how it looks like. They came with a picture of the BTS. I'm not really a fan of BTS. If you are crazy about them, you know what to do. And also we have this skincare kit from Some By Me. I've actually seen some review about this, especially the serum. So I am thinking to try this and do a review. So if you guys want me to do that, just comment down below. And the next item will be this Gulba mask. It says there's banana extract and manuka honey in it, so that is very hydrating for your skin. I think they could have made the words in black because it's kind of hard to see the ingredients. And then we also have makeup products. This is VT and BTS Stay It Twin eyeshadow. And I have the number 3, which is pink beige. I don't really do eyeshadows, but I think I need to learn more. So this is how it looks like. It has like a small mirror. There's 2 eyeshadows. This is how the eyeshadow looks like. It is a creamy texture. Moving on to the next one, this is the VYVYD Studio Cheek Flash Highlighter. And I got the number 3, which is called Gold Play. This packaging is actually heavy and it feels and looks expensive. So this is how the highlighter looks like. It is gold and it actually looks blinding. And this is also perfect for eyeshadow. So the last makeup product will be this Peach Sea Easy Matte Lipstick. They have 5 colors. I got the shade in Spring Coral. So this is how it looks like. Packaging is really cute and it does feel a bit heavy. It is because it has a magnetic lid. So that is quite cool. So this is how the lipstick looks like. I actually want to try it out. It actually feels nice. It is lightweight. I don't really feel it on my lips. It just feels like I have lip balm and it's not drying, which I like. And I think this shade is perfect for everyday use. Now for some accessories, we have the Easy Hair Dry Brush. This is for when you're drying your hair. You want that volume bangs or ends that you want to be like curl inside. This will do the trick. Like you just clip it and then just blow dry and then go down inwards, just like a straightener. And then we also have this Cacao Friends Little Sleeping Mask. This is perfect for those of you who are easily disturbed by bright lights in the morning, which is me. And then the last product, we have a pink shopper bag. For those of you who hates using plastic, you can just fold this up and put it in your bag like this and just take it out whenever you need it. Now that I've showed you what's inside the box, let's head into the giveaway. Unfortunately, this giveaway will not be worldwide. So this giveaway will be open for subscribers who are residing in the US, France, Australia, and Canada. So to enter, first you have to be subscribed to my channel, follow my Instagram account, and also YesStyles account in Instagram. And lastly, comment down below which are your favorite items from this INSSAKIT, and also include your Instagram username so I can contact you if you are the winner. So this giveaway will be ending on the 15th of May. So I will be announcing it in my Instagram and also YouTube. So make sure you stay tuned for my upcoming videos. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to enter the giveaway and be subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video.